Got some minty rigs. Look at that thing. It's probably as sacked as the other one. I like it. Mint.
It's a 86 Ford here. 6.9 IDI. She went through a flood and she's a little crusty, like battery cable's a little raw, but starting to crank. I put a new starter in it. The last guy owned it, burned it right out because it had a fuel leak or something. We don't know her yet. And hopefully she'll chooch. It's a sassy truck, so it's in really good shape. Oh, she's chooching. She was chooching a little.
Little smoke action.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's got a 87 box on here, so it's a little newer. Wish it had the 80s one. I'd need it for my truck, but little rust here and there. But the floors are nice. Sadly, an automatic, but she is a 4x. Let's try to give her a little chooch action here. You want to hose some ether in her? Dad? I guess not.
Is this the glow plug either?
Ether in her? Oh. Oh boy. She got something. Got something here.
Almost there.
Yeah. Probably got a fueling issue. Let's give her a little more ether because glow plugs probably aren't working. Come on, baby. Get more battery action here because I guess the RAM ain't doing enough. I'm gonna bring another one over. Oh, she's got a fully dickered differential. She clanks. Ooh, that does not sound good. Yep. Guess she needs more cranking amps. This thing is sassy. It's got some river scum in here. That's fine. Oh, this guy definitely smoked. Yeah. Okay. That's probably good. Oh yeah, I got a big ass Warren winch on this freaking sassy bumper. Look at that thing. That's sweet. Hopefully won't get Dodge electrical problems here. Look at the two Dodges. Okay, shut up. Well, let's try it again. Oh yeah, boys! Let's try her again. A little more Cosby. Hopefully I'm not fucking my glow plugs. Oh yeah. She wants to go.
Huh?
She wants to go.
I don't know about that.
like that hard knocking with that juice.
You sure about that?
Well, we're just gonna let her charge for a little bit. Well, you can't really blame her. She went through a flood and she's pretty decent for that. Only major rust is this. Like, the floor is pretty good. Surprisingly, it's like mint. You can even see that. The frame's mint. We're a brand new exhaust on your exhaust. Oh yeah. She was a real work truck. And she was chooching. Look at all that river scum. Ooh, there's sand in there. Oh, that better not be in the motor. You don't need to worry about the door being all crippled up. Just comes stock like that. Oh, we're gonna give her some more Cosby sauce. Shout out to Zip Ties.
Rock and roll McDonald's. Rock and roll McDonald's.
Come on, baby. Well, let's blow her up a little bit. I don't think it likes that.
You sure about that?
What are you talking about? Might have to give her some more diesel down its throat hole. Because I don't really trust that. Those injector lines. Oh, shit.
How dare you? You have stolen my dreams.
Oh, yeah. Sound a little rough. Don't die on me. I'm over there. Yeah. Yeah, that does not sound good. Oh, she's chooching. Do you think it's got oil in it? Open the crankcase then.
Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
Oh, that can hurt.
Willard, are you stunned?
Oh, yeah. just clapped. Oh, she's getting better. This old girl. All the ether's just getting chooced right out. Oh, she sounds like she's running out of diesel. Or she's just got a cam. That's not sounding good.
Idle's gone down a bit.
Oh, a little bit, you know, it's just a little fucked up, but it's fine. Sounding a little better. Yeah. And this baby sat for frickin' 7 years, went through a flood, and she's chooching back to life. That's IDI for you. This old girl, she's a little tired. Got like 270K on this thing. Oh, 219. Not too shabby. Hey, a little gas. She idles out smooth. Oh yeah, boys. This thing's sassy. We should unhook the trucks and take her for a spin.
What's that?
Should unhook the trucks and take her for a spin around the yard.
Well, get the defrost going for starters.
Doesn't feel like it's got a whole lot of brakes. Hey, the wipers.
Came on. For a second. Hey, look, we got wipers.
Does not want to move into reverse. It does not want to move into reverse.
Try drive. Just see if it goes forward. There she goes.
Oh, there she goes, yeah. Can't see shit behind me. And I can't see shit out of the windshield. Oh, that's natural. She's spinning. Let's put her in 4. Oh, there might be a little water in the transfer case.
Was that it?
No, it's transmission's a little slow. And the brakes work all right.
That's what, 4x4 or what?
Yeah.
No drive?
No drive. Oh, there we go. He's a little slow. Oh, I can't see shit. She runs smooth. She had a bit more yard to go. Fenced them off for the horses. These tires are hauled. Oh man, she's running smooth though. Fuck yeah. better than my truck already. Fuck yeah, boys. Don't really want to take her on the road. Hopefully the turn signals work. Just can't see shit. She's in 4 low on the road. She'll be fine. Transfer case is not liking that. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't have brakes. That's all right. That's great. I could film and not have to shift. Hopefully my brakes work. Oh, that's fine. Might have to fix that. Oh yeah, good old IDI. Oh, the brakes work terrible. Just slide for a mile. Oh yeah. Mint. The fan's working. Fuel gauge isn't, but I wonder what she's got on the radio.
It's definitely on defrost there.
Well, I don't know about that.
It's coming.
That's not.
Oh, it's at the end. Kind of flip it over, or maybe it flips itself over.
I don't think so.
Sweet. Here she comes.
Oh, yeah, boys.
Surprise up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she sounds big. Just sassy.
How dare you?
Yeah, boy. This old gal's a sweetheart. 4x works. And I think even the winch works. I don't really want to try that, it's a little frozen. But like, look at this thing. Even got tuned. Oh, that sounds good. Oh yeah. Yeah, brakes don't work too good for burnouts. The washer fluid works?
Yeah, look. It sprays.
Holy
Look.
Wow. Those wipers are so sacked too.
Oh,
They
yeah.
even work not too bad.
It's starting to smell like rat.
Yeah.
I don't.
Don't really want to get pneumonia like last time.
It's gonna start drying out.
Yeah. She's a sweetheart. Oh, it says the engine temp's a little. It says she's a little warm for the engine temp. See how she'll crank her up right back up. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This thing's a sweetheart. Well, that's probably about it for this video. And this thing is sassy. Oh yeah. That proved the longevity of these old diesels. First generation diesel for Ford. And this thing runs like a top. She's about like 39 years old or what? Something like that. 2025. I'm not very good at math. But, a little rusty. And, yeah. Like and subscribe to Farm Fresh Ship Boxes if you want. I don't really care. And y'all have a happy new year. And see ya.